Hi and welcome to PMCLounge.com. Today we are talking about the PMI-ACP certification. ACP stands for Agile Certified Practitioner. So the content of PMI-ACP certification is now available in multiple languages, and that is what we are talking about here. This video will refer to the PMI.org website. So let me go over to my favorite website, PMI.org, and I'll share the direct link to this page in the description below so you can also check this out. The PMI ACP exam guidance. This is what this page is called. The Agile Certified Practitioner certification, you must meet the experience and education requirements, which is available as the prerequisites, right? On if you search for prerequisites, and I'll also share a link if you want to know about the PMP prerequisites, the video that we have done. Similarly, there are prerequisites for ACP as well, the Agile Certified Practitioner. But then this video is not about the prerequisites. This video is about how the content for PMI ACP certification is now available in multiple languages. And what is the content and which are the languages the content is available in? That is what we are looking into. So exam and guidance now available in 5 additional languages. Apart from English, it is available in Arabic, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, and Spanish. So these are the 5 languages in which the content is now available. So you can see what all are when we say content, what do you mean? So you can uh, see these are the content. So if you want to prepare for the exam, you have the ACP handbook, which is available in all these languages, the 5 languages that we spoke about. Then there is the exam content outline. This is also available. You've got the, let me come down, you've got the informational flyer. This is also available, and then you've got the ACP presentation, which is also available in all these different languages, which you can download and refer to. So these are the basically the additional languages on which the PMI ACP exam content material is available in. And there was one other thing that I want to cover as part of this video. I'll share the link for this page as well. So there are a lot of other reference materials as well. Unlike PMP, PMI suggests certain material for the ACP exam, which is something really good, right? So you can see these are all the books that are suggested by PMI themselves for the ACP exam, the PMI ACP exam. So you've got Agile Estimating and Planning, the author name, publisher, Effective Project Management, Traditional Agile Extreme. So you've got all these resources listed by PMI themselves. So again, this is something which is not available for PMP, but it is available for ACP, which is a good thing. And one other important thing that I'd like to cover as part of this video before I close is that the exam candidates should be aware that PMI ACP examination is not written according to any single text or singularly supported by any particular reference. So this is something important. You cannot go through a single text, right? A single piece of text, a single piece of content. You cannot do that because ACP is not written according to any single text and even a singularly supported by any particular reference as well. So PMI does not endorse specific review courses, resources, references, and other materials for certification preparation. This is kind of similar for PMP as well, right? So the reference listed below are not inclusive of all resources. So even if you go through all the references, all the books written down, right? Or if you go through all the content there, even then, it is not mandatory that you might not receive questions which are out of these books, right? So this is what I'll share the link to this page as well. You can kind of go over it. So a bit of information about the ACP certification in this video. Hope you liked it. There are certain people who are preparing for other exams as well, not just the PMP, and that is why we cover other certifications as well over here at PMC Lounge. Do like, share, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave your comment. Like this video if you liked it. Share it to help spread the word of PMC Lounge, and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, by the way, youtube.com/PMC Lounge. And check us out on our social media, facebook.com/PMC Lounge and twitter.com/PMC Lounge. As always, do check out the website pmclounge.com, your number one free resource for PMP and other project management certifications like the one we covered today, PMI-ACP, as well as project management industry information. Thank you.